Good morning, I am Daniel Revolledo and with my classmate Ricardo Rodriguez are going to explain general concepts about quality software. First of all, it's important to say that quality software is a kind of paradigm which comprises several concepts like metric, definition, and usage of the process in order to satisfy, specify, and imply needs and give the customer a transcendental user experience. On the other hand, this paradigm seeks performance and conformance, but there are some troubles in the way. These problems are basically that software has no system, besides the lack of knowledge of client needs at the start. Then, the change of client needs over time. Furthermore, the rapid rate of change in both hardware and software. Finally, the high expectation of customer, particularly with respect to adaptability. Software quality is a paradigm that has frameworks, for example, ISO, TKT, and CMM. CMM is recommended because it establishes a focus of continuous improvement and talks about prior maturity, rather than the ISO 9001 that's only about a check to verify if it follows given standards. Software quality is based in qualifying and quantifying to facilitate decision making and define the quality in terms of thickness of the product for its purpose that depends on the client. One example of these decisions is in the choice of software tools, where there are several applications that might meet requirements. Software quality has characteristics. They are functionality, reliability, portability, maintainability, and efficiency. Also has requirements. They are functional and non-functional requirements. These characteristics have not the same weighting with respect to metrics because a metric can be included in different characteristics. On the other hand, metric has customers of measurements that are people who make decisions based on measurements defined by a paradigm whose steps are determination of questions to evaluate progress. Moreover, it's relevant to say that the difference between measurements and metrics is that measurements give as a result the metrics. There are measurements for products and process. Some examples about product measurements are maintainability, performance, availability, reliability, requirement volatility, test coverage, defects, complexity, and size. It's important to say that the size is defined by line of code or function points. Some examples about process measurements are cost, first pass yield, cycle time, or customer impact. There are types of measurements which are functional managers that control in development to reduce risk and maximize ROI, project managers that control resources, individual software practitioners that gather data for the measurement program, specialists interested in quantitative information for making decisions, and customer or user interested in quality, utility, and cost.